Hello guys and welcome yourselves back to Forza Horizon 2. Now as you do know guys, we were doing, well,
Okay my friend, they are faster than you, but their turning circle is a lot wider than yours, so this should be a close race.
okay, so what we'll do now guys, we're doing an event, then we're moving on to a different task basically. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you thumbs up, share and subscribe guys. That's all you gotta do. Makes that easier. So thank you so much guys for all the support you gave me on my last video. Now today this is for you guys. And I fixed my shifting so I can get more power out of my car. Oh, this is the beauty of a car. Bearing in mind, this car is absolutely amazing. I have got automatic car which I can just shift up and down, so I like really shifting. Don't like the normal way. Seems weird. That's the first scratch. Come on, baby. Come on. Show me what you're made of. Come on, Mr. Ferrari. Let's go. This car actually sounds amazing. And after this guys, I will be actually stop recording after this and I'll be playing Watch Dogs 2 with Brad's Epic Gaming 22. Now bear in mind I will not record what I am doing on Watch Dogs with him. It's just me mucking around having fun with him. It seems like he's actually bored as it is right now. So oh, second shit.
Still, you put on a great show. People will be talking about this event for years.
I don't know, like, I don't know if I was braking and going a bit more further.
Oh, and did I mention, you can keep the car.
Woo! The Ferrari is mine. I have leveled up off camera. I am now level 6. So for my starter car that I did get, I have boosted the brakes, I have fixed the brakes, the engine, I gave it a new, can't think of the name. I can't think of the...
No, Tim, I'm not going to be driving, but the guys that will are the best we have at the festival. Come on, the finale's going to be the event of the summer. Alright, that's terrific. Where are you now? Oh, it's a shame. We're just about to cruise down to Nice. Alright, we're about to do the second leg of the road trip. You ready? We are going to La Bella Nice, the beautiful city. Come on, let's go.
That a Lambo. What am I in? The Ferrari.
Hey, a new station's just been added to your radio presets. You can now tune into Hospital Records Radio.
Sorry. Where's Hospital Records? I just like the noise of it. Meh. This car sounds amazing, just screams. Thank God rewind was invented on that day.
In 400 meters, turn left.
So if you are enjoying these videos, guys, make sure you thumbs up, share,
Turn left.
and subscribe, because that will do me a massive favour, and obviously it will help me much, it will help you. That Lambo looks so mean at the back. Ugh, at the front even. Oh, they were side by side there, and he's taking out the Lexus. Brutal. But this does look amazing though, you gotta admit, this car and the scenic view, look at that. Welcome to Tokyo. Don't know, just got from Fast and Furious, that's why. Just got that from there. The Dodge Charger. Hello. How did you get in front of me?
In 400 meters,
Ah, you got
turn
trapped.
left.
Ow.
Turn left.
Getting buddied. That Lambo could go far, so much faster than this. Oh god. I don't know how I lost control.
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Smooth braking there.
In 400 meters, turn right.
It's a lovely area.
Turn right. Recalculating route. In 400 meters, turn left.
Just need to skim that tree.
In 400 meters, turn right.
I can't beat a Fiat, that's just quite embarrassing.
Turn right. In 100 meters, turn left. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right.
And we're finally here. There you go, lads.
Welcome to Nice. Like I said earlier, The championship you enter is determined by the car you're driving. That means I've signed you up for the Nice Modern Supercars Championship. Now, if you fancy something different, though, no problem. The auto show is now open, so you can buy yourself a different car, then come back here to sign up for that car's championship.
I'm gonna do this though. But I want to see.
Hey, the auto show is...
Hey. Ooh, went low.
To Horizon Online. Here, just as in solo play, you'll continue to earn XP and cash for everything you do. You'll even get additional bonuses for racing with your clubmates. In Horizon Online, finishing first isn't the only way to win. Race fast, clean, and with plenty of skill, and you could earn as much XP as the guy out in front. There are two ways to play Horizon Online. Online Road Trip lets you take part in a road trip with your friends, or put you straight into the action as you travel from destination to destination, competing in a host of fun and varied events. In contrast, Online Free Roam lets you choose what you do. Grab cars from the auto show, enter events, visit car meets, or just cruise around the world with your friends. It's all up to you. Get ready to share the road trip of your life.
That. So now we actually unlocked
You can
online.
access Horizon Online at any time via the pause menu, or simply bring up the map and select an online road trip to jump into.
Gifts. Okay then, so we got a skill. We got one skill point. Oh no, we got level up. What we're gonna get? That's not too bad.
It's now open if you want to buy a new car.
But I want to see. When my control dropped. Garage. They actually.
Hey, don't be shy. Come on in and let's fix her up.
Oh, they. Let's try and tune this car up. S2. I'm sorry the camera angles are... Does it seem dodgy? Don't know. There you go, that might seem a bit better. There we go. I think that is that better? Don't know. Springs? No, I'm not bother with that. Okay, I'll come back when I'm actually done. Okay guys, so welcome back, and this is the car. Look at this beauty. It's a Ferrari. A loud Ferrari at that.
In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters, turn left. You have arrived at your destination.
Right then, so let's get some money back. Literally. She's having a good time. One offence, 1 of 4. There's McLaren. Let's do this. Come on, car. Sorry about the properties. Quite fast. Yeah, might need to slow down a that bit. Jesus. I have tuned this as well, so. Sorry, I didn't pay attention on the road. My bad. That's a lot of stuff there, Jesus.
You've earned a skill point.
Have I? Man, this car sounds really good. Good drift. Taking out a lamppost. Hello. The reason why I couldn't record Forza Horizon 2 yesterday because my Xbox Live has run out, as I said in the previous video that I did on Batman Arkham Knight Part 11. So that's why I couldn't really do that video. So now I got my Xbox Live back, also you will see more videos. It might not be on this though, but 190.
Just brilliant. You're really starting to pick up a following.
That's about 190 across that lineup. That's quite a good lot of XP there. Level 7! I'm liking those.
You leveled up.
Yes, I have. Let's see what we get. Let's go. Oh, what's that yellow on the map? Is it you?
Whenever you see a driver tar out on the open road, you can challenge them to a head-to-head. Drive up behind their car and challenge them to a race. Now, the tougher the competition, the bigger the rewards. So go after better cars. Okay, this will be tough, but if you beat him, the payout will be huge.
He is slowly just keeping up.
In 400 meters, turn left.
Messed up.
Turn left.
Oh, what's that? Sorry, possible, sorry. Yeah. He's in my way. Right, let's see how fast the thing can really go on these open roads. $200 an hour. And he's gonna win it, yeah, no, but they're like, Jesus. Can I, do some editing magic?
Bad luck. But Anna will let you know the next time you've got one of Horizon's best driver tars nearby. Hey mate, it's Ben. Whenever you see a friend out on the open road, you can challenge them to a head-to-head. Drive up behind the car and challenge them to a race. Racing tougher opponents in better cars will net bigger rewards.
Okay, so now you can see that I'm so far goddamn out. I will see you when I'm actually at the next race. Right then, so I'm at the next race. After losing to that car, which sucks.
Alright, this next event is a sprint. We've closed the road so you'll be racing without traffic. Keep an eye on your map to see what's coming up and pick your line through it.
Okay then. It had to be rain, didn't it? Just bashes every 5 seconds. Keep it going. Right then. There's little mistakes, you have to get a rewind button. Okay, let's keep on going. We're about 80% now. Man. There you go.
Oh, wow. You made that look easy.
That was not easy at all. Jesus. Level 8. Nice. Level up again. We're gonna get... Okay. Do this one because it's closer.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Yes, sir.
Turn left. In 400 meters, turn right.
Didn't really hear that at the time, but anyway.
Turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Hell yeah, I have. Dun dun dun. An Aston Martin. Oh, lovely. Come on, car. Come on, let's show the world what we've got, Mr. Car. Back into that Lambo, teach it a lesson. That lovely skid and overtake him. That's some debris. Didn't see that corner. I'm sorry I'm not talkative as much as I usually would be. I don't feel really talkative at all. I'm more concentrating actually on the driving. Nearly there, come on. Come on, Mr. Car.
Excellent driving. Another big win.
There you go. Not bad. Okay, so now I'll cut to when I'm at the last bit of the race and I will end it off there, guys. Last race. We can do this, guys. We can do this.
Okay, this is a street race. You'll be on open roads and there'll be other traffic out there too. So pay attention to what's ahead of you.
Right. God damn it. You went straight into that tree then. Come on, car. Right there, I'm in third. That's great checking me. Thank you. This way. This way. We're gonna win this, guys.
Nice driving, mate. Another 20 points.
Woo! We done it, guys. Hell yeah.
Back-to-back wins in your first 2 championships. What more can we ask for? Congratulations, mate. You are the Nice champion.
Hell yes I am, boy. We'll get in there, we'll get in there. Nearly at 200. Oh, come on. That's just taking an absolute joke.
I forgot to say, Ashley asked me to pass on a message. Could you meet her here when you get the chance?
Okay then, final meeting at a car meet.
In 400 meters, bear right.
Let's go and pay her a visit then.
Keep right. In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Ah, I missed that turning, didn't I?
Recalculating route. In 200 meters, turn sharp left. Turn right. In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Okay then. Before we actually do go in, I actually do want to level up quickly. Wheel spin. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, that's 2.
You have arrived at your destination.
Okay, so apparently we're going to a car meet, apparently. It's going to be interesting. I love a milkshake.
Alright, have fun. Don't break anything! Hey, you're Ben's friend. Cool. You ever been to a car meet before? This is the kind of place you can always find a race, if that's your thing. I like to come to just meet new people and talk cars. Swap tuning tips, check out paint jobs, whatever. Oh, hold on. Sorry, gotta go. Duty calls. But feel free to just hang out. You never know who you're gonna meet. I'll see you later.
But Marcado, look! That's me, Alien Spider 8166. Well, 6, because of the reasons. Yeah, I might have done some good upgrades to this car. What else we've got here? No, no race. Why are these two the same? Should have a Ferrari. That's a nice looking Ferrari. Right then, so I have to end up there guys, so thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you thumbs up, share and subscribe for more content and details along those lovely lines. And I will see you guys later. Peace out, have a good day.
Hey, we're going to be hosting a new tournament on Isola della Tempesta. It's going to be more extreme than anything we've done so far, and we have some all-new event types. Are you in? As you may have noticed, Isola della Tempesta is home to its own tropical subclimate. We'll be seeing storms like this pretty regularly throughout the season. It's a very different set of challenges from anything we've faced so far. Combine that with some really harsh and rugged terrain, and I think you'll start to get the idea of why we're here. Alright, I have something I need you to get involved with. Get yourself over to Nice Harbour and bring an overnight bag. I'll see you there.
Okay, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out.